Removing the door card on the E92 E93 3 Series. Start by removing this piece of metal trim here. There are 4 T15 Torx screws uncovered. Now you'll need to use a large pry tool under the back of the door card. You may need to use a smaller tool to get behind initially. Once you've got the bottom of the door card loose, you should be able to pull the rest of the clips by hand, including all the ones at the top. Remove the cable for the interior door handle. And remove any electrical connectors. So there's one for the speaker, another one for the fibre optic light, one for the window controls and mirror controls, and finally you've got the puddle light at the bottom of the door. And that's the door card removed.